Hello everyone, welcome to suni'scraftistry. Today I have come back with an interesting video. I'll teach you how to make these beautiful roses. The roses that are available in the market are very light and they don't have much thickness. But no worries, we can make them easily at your home. So all we need to make these beautiful roses is just satin ribbon. We need 1-inch satin ribbon to make the size roses. Okay, the length of the satin ribbon is 20 inches. You need needle and thread because we'll be sewing the rose as in how we keep completing it. I've taken a needle and rose. That's it. So without any further delay, let's begin with the process. So here I have taken 20 inches satin ribbon. Okay, I have already sealed the ends. So don't forget to seal the ends. Now watch me very carefully. I'm holding one end of the ribbon like this and pulling the other end behind to make this small slanting line on the ribbon. Okay, now with this fingers hold the ribbon firmly and then slowly make the other end like this. I'm just turning it. Let me zoom you a little bit. Okay, like this. After you have come halfway, okay, just give a small stitch over here so that this doesn't come out easily, like this. Okay, now here push this little back like this and then start turning it around. So when you turn it around, okay, don't come to this end. Don't come till this end. When you have a little bend over here, that's when you have to make a twist here, like this. You can see the difference, right? Like this. When you have this, you need to make a turn. Hold one end firmly and then keep turning it. This rose is all about turning and adjusting, turning and adjusting. So keep turning. Put a finger over here so that this doesn't come up like this. Okay, it should not come up like this. So it should be in the same level. So that's the reason I'm putting a finger to stop it from coming forward. Then turn it. Keep twisting this part. Then give a small stitch so that these petals will not come away easily. That's it. Okay. Now, after you come to this point, okay, let the ribbon be pushed behind like this. Very easy. Observe carefully. When I come to this point, I'm just pushing it like this. Only this end to make this slanting again. Turn it carefully. Okay. After you come to this position, make a turn. So we need to repeat this process continuously. After you come little way, then what you have to do is start holding it from above. Okay, leave this position. Don't just leave it and then come and catch. It will come out like this. So always place your hand on the flower so that it doesn't come out. Okay, like this. When I come to this place, I'm bending the ribbon from behind. Okay, after you come to one particular place like this, after you have done little, then hold from above and take your hand from below. Now place that on the above like this. Now start pushing it like this. For every small turn, start turning the loose end of the ribbon backward like this. You can see the shape is forming. So take little, bend little, turn little, bend little, bend, turn, bend and turn. After you have done little, don't forget to give a stitch over here. So where I'm giving this, I'm just giving it here. Just in case if you leave your fingers, the shape will not go and you need not try doing it right from the beginning. Okay, that's the reason we need to keep stitching it once in a while like this. I'll show you the difference what happens if you stitch, so that even if you miss holding the flower once in a while, it will not go back to it. See, now I've left. Still the rose remains the same. Now let's quickly finish it off. Again, one more important point that you have to note here is when you make a turn, make sure that you don't do every time at the same position. Okay, so here I have a bend over here, so I should not do it again here. Then it starts coming out in a straight line. That's not what we need. So what we have to do is turn a little, make a bend over here so that it just goes like that. Again, see, I have a bend here. You can see the difference? I have a bend here, but I have made it here. That's how you have to do it. You can also glue the petal when you're doing it, but I prefer stitching it because it stays more stronger. That's it. Okay, let me finish off. Just observe how we are doing it. You need to pull from this end, okay, to the center. By doing this, what happens is everything will stay intact with the center. Put a couple of knots so that it doesn't come out. So see, beautiful, isn't it? Very easy. You can keep trying a couple of times at your home till you get the perfect shape. And I'm finally making a small knot over here and finishing it off. Just cutting off this extra end. So here our rose is ready. Now I don't want this extra end over here. So what I do is I can simply cut this part and seal it with the help of a lighter. I'll show you how to do that. So let's take the flower, cut the tail of this, okay, like this, and then seal it. And just press it over anything so that you don't need to burn your fingers. Okay, now the bottom is sealed. So that's it. Look, when you buy these roses from the market, you won't have the roses so thick. So, roses are ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching this tutorial. I'll just show you a headband which I have made earlier with the help of these roses. So here I have used the same type of roses to make this beautiful headband. Okay, you can try like that, or you can also attach it to a rubber band like this. And use it. Okay, or you can also use a dual color and make a rose like this. I've used white and gold here. It's up to your choice. Based upon your dresses, you can also add colors. Here I have attached it to a rubber band. I've attached it to a headband. You can attach them to TikTok clips. It's up to you. So that's all, friends, for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. Please do try them out at your home. They are very easy. The more you practice, the more perfectly you will get the ribbons, flowers. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like it if you really liked my video, and share it with your friends, and stay tuned for the next video. Until then, be happy, keep yourself safe. Thank you and bye bye.